So this is a cool gadget. I was searching around for something unique, innovative, a combination type of device. I happened upon this thing. You guys know I like wireless charging, and you also know that I like beverages, hot, cold, both. I mean, it's kind of an important part of the day. Here is a device from a company called Nomoto. It's not cheap for what it is. It's about 70 bucks, but it's the only one of its kind that I know of. So anyhow, let's check it out. Let's see what this thing is all about. This is what the gadget's gonna look like right there. You see in that picture? You warm your mug, you keep your drink hot, you charge your phone, you live your life. Will tells me apparently it will cool your drink as well. Smart warmer and cooler. Oh, smart cup? They gave me a cup. The cup has a metallic plate on the bottom. Kirk, you should have known this, dude. And it's also metallic on the inside. Food grade aluminum alloy. Uh-oh. So this is gonna transfer heat or cold better than just a typical mug. This is the power brick. That's a simple setup right there. Oh, wow. That's substantial. Interesting. Look at that. Reminiscent of PC, a fan you might have in your PC, in your gaming setup, sort of, but it is a Qi wireless charger. This little guy is gonna sit there on your desk, maybe in the kitchen. I mean, wherever you wanna put it, probably on your desk, and then, so that guy fits on there perfectly. The metal plate transfers the heat or cold up to the mug, and then over here on the side, we're just gonna blam, just like that. So, let's get this plugged in. Let's see how it operates. Got it plugged in. Oh, just noticed there's an LED. It cycled through a few colors there. It was just in the center. Now, first things first, as a wireless charger, oh yeah, there you go. Okay, cool. So charging, press power button once to activate cooling, second time for heating. Oh, it goes red. So it goes blue. So never mind this LED up here. The actual power switch goes blue for cooling. So it's cold right now. Oh, it's cold. Will's giving me an update. It's very important. Apparently, it can be any cup. Like, you can put any cup you want on there. Just keep in mind, the effectiveness is going to be in relationship to how much transmission takes place through whatever material that cup is made of. Metal is going to work best, so keep that in mind. By the way, that's a warm Coca-Cola. Special edition, also, Unbox Therapy Coca-Cola. You didn't even know that existed. We're going to pour it in on the cold function here, just a little bit, because I want to give it a chance here. Now, typically what you would do in this circumstance is you would have a cold beverage already and you would want to keep it cold. So you would have a head start. But I'm curious, with just the cold element there and the cup and a warm drink, how long to cool it down? I'm going to leave that for a second. Okay, so while there is a on-off switch for the cooling and heating, the wireless charger, on the other hand, it just works. Now, there is a fan in here, by the way, when it's either heating or cooling, in this case, pushing hot air out of the side. Oh, the cup is freezing. Okay, let me give it. I'm gonna give it. That's chilled. That's how long has that been? 2-3 minutes? Now keep in mind, it's a little bit, they can see on the overhead, it's just a little bit of Coke in there. Let's try and switch it over now to the heating. Let's switch to the heating and let's see how it works with a regular mug. I guess it just fits on there like that. You could use a regular mug, but again, the amount of transmission actually making it into your beverage or cold making it into your beverage does depend on the material of the cup that you choose to use. Metal's gonna be the best. Obviously, that's why their mug is made out of metal. Yeah, I mean, that's hot coffee. I'm gonna give that a quick tap. Do not try this at home. Caution, hot surface. Don't do this. I do this so you don't have to do this. Oh, that's hot. Okay. It's kind of amazing. It's kind of cool. It's unusual. I don't know. I mean, it's not the cheapest wireless charger, but what kind of a wireless charger does this as well? You're gonna get some questions about this. If you have a crazy desk setup with everything already on it, all your favorites and whatnot, this could round it out. Okay, quick update here. I just realized there's actually a fan underneath the Qi wireless charger as well that cools your device as it's charging so it can't heat up too much. And it kicks on when you drop the device down. You got the hot drink, the cold phone, and all the juice. Wow, a multifunction, multifaceted wireless charger, and it's on Amazon. You can pick it up right now. There's a link down in the description. This might be exactly what you were looking for. I don't know. Maybe you have everything else on your desk already and you want to step your game up even further. You want people to walk by immediately jealous of your setup because you're always charged and your coffee's never cold and your Coca-Cola always is.